All right, you guys, it's Austin here today at Renown Cargo Trailers. We got a special one for you today. First off, I want to start with this right here. We got this 49ers jersey.
Hey, it's Super Bowl Sunday weekend, and we actually had the opportunity to sell Mr. Deebo Samuel's cousin, Mr. Leon, a trailer 3 weeks ago. I told him, I said, man, I'm going to give you a great deal on this trailer, but I need a signed jersey by Deebo Samuel. Man, he came through. We got it in about 3 days ago. So now I'm pulling for the 49ers. I was going with the Chiefs, but when Deebo Samuel sends you a jersey, you got to go with the 49ers. So guys, we got a trailer that matches the 49ers colors as well. This is an 8.5 by 24 barbecue porch trailer. It's got a finished interior. You'll get to see that on the inside. It's got an 8-foot open porch on the back with railing and a gate as well you can enter the porch on. So Austin, go over this trailer with him, buddy.
All right, so first off, like Lane was saying, this is going to be an 8.5 by 24 barbecue porch trailer. We have an 8-foot porch on the back. We'll walk around and we'll talk more about it when we get there. First off, what I want to show you guys is up here on the front, we have an extended tongue. This is a 72-inch drawbar, and it has an ATP covered platform for your generator or whatever the case may be that you're sticking up here. Also, I want you to notice, on this trailer, we did a polycore skin. It's that 080 material. Basically, it's a multi-polymer sheet, a bunch of different kinds of plastics melted into one with a thin aluminum coating, as well as we did it semi-screwless, so you'll know on this side right here, it's glued on the 2 middle studs, and it's screwed on the seams. On this trailer, also, we have our blackout package on it, so it has all of your black trimming and accents. This is going to be our motor base plug. You've heard us say it before. Basically, that's how you're going to get your power from your shoreline or your generator into your trailer. It's going to convert it to 110 energy on the inside. Motor base plug. Here we're going to have our city fill center. So all of our trailers with our water package is going to come with this. It's a city fill. You have a direct flow where you can fill up your tank, or a direct flow you can put your water hose and run straight off of your pump. We have a dump valve up underneath, so that's how you're going to dump all of your dirty water. You also have a screw on here if you want to drain it 100 foot away. You screw a water hose onto there, and that's how you do it. So I was saying we have it semi-screwless polycore and that blackout. If you'll notice, we also did a 12-inch ATP sides and rear on this trailer. So it just keeps them rocks from scraping it.
And it makes that red pop.
It
the
does.
Next thing on here, we've got tandem 5,200-pound axles. So basically, you can haul about 7,000 pounds of payload in this trailer. Plenty of axles to put whatever kind of equipment or whatever kind of water you're holding in the tanks. Plenty of axle strength to carry whatever kind of load you want to carry. We'll go in on the back porch right here. This is the 8-foot porch we were talking about. It's covered in diamond plate ATP on the porch. We've got also the roof and the ceiling covered with it as well. Also with an exterior floodlight so you can cook barbecue all night long, guys. A lot of people go to barbecue festivals and they start cooking at 2 o'clock in the morning. So guys, you'll be able to cook whatever time of day it is on this trailer. We've got rails on the back. Here's your removable gate. This gate actually removes off so you can load whatever kind of smoker you want and put on here. You can bolt it down or you can use the D-rings. We put 4 D-rings in the floor so you can strap it down or do whatever you like with your smoker. Right here we've got a 36-inch RV door with a window and screen, guys. So you can open up the window, leave the screen down, let some air flow through, and the bugs can't come in. So we'll come on inside here. Again, it is a finished interior trailer, so we've got the white metal walls, the white metal roof. We've got a 3x5 concession door. Actually, that looks like a 3x5 concession door. Windows and screens on this as well that lit up and down. We've got a black RTP rubber tread plate floor. It's very durable, and also it helps you from slipping. If you spill water on the floor, it's easy to clean with a broom and just works really good in our concession trailers. We did this one 7.5 foot tall, so you can put any kind of freezer you want, commercial size freezer or refrigerator. You got plenty of height and you don't feel like the ceiling's coming down on top of you while you're working and preparing your food. We've got a 48-inch side door right here with a window screen as well. So that's a 48-inch RV door, so you can use that to put any kind of equipment that you need. You're not limited to a 36-inch door. Up here, you'll notice we've got your 3 deep bowl sinks. These sinks will pass code wherever you're at. They're plenty of deep to submerge your pots and pans in. To pass code, you gotta be able to put your pot in and submerge it 1 inch up under the water. So we've got the 3 deep bowl seats, also with your drain boards. Guys, we got some shelf space up here, a countertop right here. We've got your electrical package panel box right there with all your breakers. This right here, I don't know if you noticed on the outside, there's a PVC pipe that runs up through the top of the trailer, and this is actually for ventilation for all your plumbing. So it's called the
auto vent.
An auto vent, there you go. And it's an auto vent, and we do them that way just in case you're in Ohio or Kentucky or California, and we just want to make sure our trailers are passing code wherever you go. Some states don't require, but we do it that way just so if we want to sell somebody a trailer in Ohio, we got you. Also, we've got base cabinets down here. You'll see all your PEX plumbing, your freshwater tank. Then we've got a hand wash scene right here as well. You gotta have a hand wash. So guys, this is the trailer. We've got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner on here. So it's a 24-foot trailer. It's a 16-foot box. Plenty of room to do whatever you need. You got some interior lights as well. Plenty of receptacles. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 receptacles in this trailer. And if you'll come out here, we got a GFI receptacle right here. So guys, you can plug up a digital menu, you can plug up a coffee pot, you can plug up a TV, a fan, whatever you have, we got a GFI receptacle right here. We've got the concession door and window that goes up and down. It also has an RV flush lock on it so you can lock it. And then here is your 12-inch deep fold down shelf. This right here works perfectly when a customer's coming up and you're trying to exchange food with them. They're giving you money. You can set their food out. You can set your condiments out here as well. Your ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, whatever you have. And then it's a fold down shelf and it's easy as boom, lets down and locks into place. Great feature you want on your concession trailers. So guys, this trailer is available right now. We just got 2 of them on the lot. These things do not last long. As soon as we pull them over here, we pulled them over here yesterday evening. They will be gone this time next week. So guys, if you're interested in a barbecue trailer, we've got this red and black one. We've got a blackout. We've got more coming down the line. I think we're going to be getting about 2 or 3 a week. If you'll notice behind you, the next video we do, we've got an 8.5 by 24. This is a turnkey loaded, fully blown out concession trailer. It's got all the equipment in it. So we do them both ways. We can put the equipment in it, or we can build it and let you put your own equipment in it. So guys, if you're interested in making some extra money, creating some new streams of revenue in your life, this is a way to do it. People are like making a lot of money cooking food, and it's a whole lot cheaper than brick and mortar or paying somebody rent and then you not having anything going towards your investment. You're just paying somebody else's bills. So guys, give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers, 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. That's RENOWN, Renown. Guys, we're all over the place. We're real easy to find, TikTok, Facebook, and we appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. Thank you all for watching our videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like, share it with people. And guys, if you don't get anything else out of this video, I want you to get one thing, man. When we got in this business, it was all about people. It was never about a trailer. We want to tell you that Jesus loves you. Renown means to make famous, so we're just trying to make God's son, Jesus' name, famous. That's why we got in this business. We love what we do what we love, and we love people. So guys, if you ever want to just talk about Jesus, any of us are here. We're on the phones all the time. I've got 12 sales reps that do a phenomenal job for me, man. I tell people all the time, I'm the dumbest one in the room, but God surrounded me with a bunch of champions. And this right here is one of my champions, Austin King. He does a phenomenal job. But guys, we know the trailer business. We've been doing this for a long time. They've been doing it way longer than I have. I've been in it about 7 years. But I've got people that's been doing this 25 years that's working for me. So guys, give us a call. We know what we're talking about. We're gonna do what we say we're gonna do, when we're gonna do it, and we're gonna give you a 5-year nationwide warranty that you don't have to worry about any issues with our trailer. We believe in our product. We stand behind it. We're not the cheapest, but I know we're the best. Guys, thanks for watching our videos. We look forward to talking to you soon. And y'all know the rest.
Until then, y'all be blessed.